Back it up to
Oh.
I got you. I can res. I can res.
I have my ult after.
Your duty is not over.
Hold on.
For you. Coming through.
Oh my
He's in tree.
god. There's one on top.
Last player standing.
Why was I inspecting my gun?
You appreciated it?
Gifted sub.
Oh my
Nice try.
god.
That's okay. You know what? We have to give them hope.
Who hope?
Damn, the enemy team.
Which is this world?
No, they're not our friends.
There.
Yeah, you're right. Right.
All right, y'all. I'm.
Oh.
I will miss you all.
Win. Reloading.
If you- they didn't say it back, yo.
They have to let me win because of my name.
Dolph connoisseur. They said the gays are in this group. We gotta go. We gotta go. Mm-mm. Wait, is this really your scores? Your You don't have to lie. This is a safe space. Are these
Wait,
really
what do
your
you mean? Like my
your
actual,
KDA
like,
over here?
rank?
Yeah, these games are
Yeah,
these
When
interesting.
I used to play this game, I mained a lot of it's called Fade and Chamber. No, sorry, Fade and Jet.
Interesting.
Is it because I'm still in silver?
No, no. Tech, you know the tech show that I constantly talk about. He's been playing League for what 11 years, I think, and he is still silver.
Yes, these are my score.
What's the rank go in League, y'all?
Same thing.
Pretty much the same. Instead of
Really?
Ascendant, it's like Master, Grandmaster, and Challenger.
Do you think I could beat Tech?
Yeah, probably. Tech plays Tech. Tech plays Yumi, so it's like pretty easy to tell.
He's scared to play games. Oh wait, I didn't ready up. I'm sorry. He gets scared when he plays games.
Why?
I don't know. Any game where you have to fight people, he gets chicken shit.
I know someone like that.
You.
Jr.
Do you think I'm scared?
Oh wow, no.
Remember Michael when we played Overwatch?
Michael's scared.
Yeah. You were like, get in there!
Get your fucking mercy ass in there and pull out your pistol, bitch.
Like I did. Chasing hoes down.
Oh, Overwatch.
Are you guys gonna play Overwatch when it comes out?
So I didn't feel comfortable streaming it with all the shit that went on with Blizzard and Activision, so I just stopped playing it.
Oh, true.
And then it really hasn't changed, and so I said that like if they changed it, I would come back to play it. But I'm too. I like Valorant more just because it's more strategic. I love that picture of Yoru.
No, he's
Cute
so
there.
and daddy. Sorry.
He looks good.
Bottom.